I'm Daniel and welcome in this Ultimarc tutorial video. And in this video we will be taking a look at the Ultrastick 360FS controller. And it's wonderful. The FS stands for flight stick, obviously. So the handle is a flight stick handle. It features two buttons. Button 1, button 2. Player 1, button 1, player 1, button 2. And this is a wonderful device. I've used it before. It's a complete analog joystick. So you can use it as a mouse, as an analog controller. But with the software that Ultimarc provides, you can also do it like you can use it like a 4-way controller or 8-way controller. And the mapping goes completely automatic if you want it. So if you open a game, a 4-way game, the Ultrastick only registers 4-way movement. So that's wonderful. So in this video we will be taking apart the joystick. We will be building it inside the huge control panel. We will be taking a look at the software that Ultimarc provides, and at the end we will play a game, of course. So without further ado, let's get started. To be able to mount the controller to your control panel, you need to take the handle, the complete flight stick handle, apart. But this is really easy to do, and we will be starting with that now. Okay, let's start with getting the handle off, and make sure you follow the steps. It's super easy to do, but you want to do it in the correct way. So we need a simple screwdriver, Phillips head, and we start with the screws that are on the side that has the most holes. The other side only has one hole. So we start with this side. And then we can open it. Here's the small screw. So here you can see that it's just a simple shaft with some cables, some wires coming out to the two buttons. Make sure that you remember which wire goes to which button. As you can see, there are 3 wires. So we have red, green and yellow. The green wire is ground, so this one goes to 2 buttons, and then the red one goes to button number 2, which is your index finger button, and the yellow wire goes to button 1, which will be your thumb. Okay, so remember the yellow one is button number 1. So let's get the caps off, like this. Now we can remove the small switches, like this. And there we are. Okay, and now comes a little tricky part. You can see the dust ring here, and the dust ring needs to come off. And believe it or not, but it can be done without removing the switches. And you just need to do it one by one. But it's not easy, I will tell you. So let's do this one first. And then the second one. Come here. Need to be very careful not to break the solder connections, and then the second one is here. So the dust cover is off, and now what remains is the shaft and the wiring, and this will be mounted in the control panel. Be very careful, because this joystick needs to be in the correct position, correct direction. So just as a reminder, you can set an arrow where the red cable is to your right, lower right. This is the bottom. So the monitor direction is away from the USB and the jumper cables. So this is up. So this is how we will insert it in the control panel. So let's lower the panel. Now don't forget, the first thing you need to do is reinstall the dust ring through one switch. Let me get it. Where are we? And then to the other one. Let me get it. Come here, you. So, the dust ring is on. Now we get one of the side panels of the handle, and you want to take the one with the points sticking outward, because these points will fit exactly into the switches. So also take note the position. The round hole is for your thumb, so the joystick goes like this. It will not be my first time that I mounted the whole thing in the opposite direction, so this is the correct way. So we remembered the wiring. The one with the yellow stripe was for your thumb. This was player 1. So this goes in here. It just snaps in place, and the red one goes in here, like this. Let me get a better shot of it. Here we go. Now we take one of the small screws, and it goes all the way down like this, and we will attach the shaft to the handle. Okay, now we take one of the buttons, insert it here, the other one, oh, they are slippery, so the other one goes here. Now we get the other side, carefully over the buttons, like this. And now we need to screw the whole thing in place. Like this. Nice. Okay, the flight stick is mounted, and all we need to do now is insert the USB cable, which is supplied. And because this is a rather large cabinet, this will take a little while, because I need to route the cable as neatly as I can do it through the whole cabinet. So I will do this now, and we will get back when it's connected to the PC. Now that we've mounted the Ultimarc flight stick, it's time to configure it in the software. And the first thing we are going to do is go to the Windows settings, right click, settings. My Windows is in Dutch language, but I will translate it for you. So settings, then we go to devices, then we go to devices and peripherals and printers. And somewhere here you will see the Ultimarc Ultrastick Player 1. Right click on that. Then we can go to mouse settings or game settings. So we go to game settings. Then we see the tab which is called properties, like this. And now we're at this screen, and if everything is correct, and it is, you can see your cursor all around the screen, everywhere. And if we press the buttons, button 1, button 2, I wired them correctly, but I think I mistold you. This is button 2, this is button 1. Yeah, so button 1, button 2. So they work perfectly. So let's download the Ultimarc software now. This is okay. Okay. Let's go to Google and go to the Ultimarc website. download. Let me get it full screen. And there we have the Ultrastick 360 Flightstick. Here we go. And let's go to click release notes, click to download, UltraMap utility. Click to download. Setup. Yes, yes. Did we do all users? To all shortcuts available to all users. Like this, finish. And this is really easy to use. You can see that Ultrastick 1 is already found and it's in analog mode. So if I wiggle the joystick, you can see that it's very precisely registering the directions. But I can very easily choose from the drop-down menu, maybe 4-way, then press the button, download map to Ultrastick. This will take a second. And now, by magic, it's a 4-way joystick. So you can only do 4 directions, which is really handy. Or you can choose mouse pointer, download it, and we got a mouse pointer. I'm not sure why anybody would use this as a mouse pointer if you have a trackball, but you can do it. So the standard is analog, and I will do it like this, up, and there it is. For now I keep it on analog. Now let's configure Mame and Hyperspin. So the first thing we want to do is go to Led-Blinky. Let me get it here. And go to the Led-Blinky config utility. That's this menu here. Let's make this one smaller. So what we want to do, we are going to miscellaneous options and go to the joystick digital restriction module, and we will enable Ultrastick 360, and we will be enabling the servo sticks because I have 2 servo sticks here. And basically we save it, and that is it. Now we can go to Mame. I will start Hyperspin. Led-Blinky starting up. And now, if we go to Mame, let's get a 4-way. Let me get the sound a little softer. Let's go to favorites and then go to burger time.
Loading complete down. Left. Right. Start game. Insert coin.
And if everything is fine, then the joystick is already configured by Mame natively. So this works wonderful, but the buttons are not doing anything yet. So let's go to menu. Let's go to input general. Let me get the sound soft. Then we go to player 1 controls, and then player 1 button 1. Of course it's this one, and it will be this one. And player 2, player 1 button 2 will be this one, and will be this one. Okay, let's test it. And it works. And it plays very well. And there you have it. So we are completely done. We installed the Ultrastick 360FS by Ultimarc in our control panel. It feels and works wonderful. I will see you in the next video. Bye!